Check Zone Life. Welcome, guys. You're new. We're gonna be walking the Brooklyn Bridge today, and this is where we're still going to start from. Let me do a little 360 so you can see. Okay, I just got off the train from right there over there in there, the 6th train, and I came over here, and this is the trail. We're going to walk over the Brooklyn Bridge. So stick with me and let's go. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Yep. This is not my first time walking over the bridge, but this is my first time taking the camera with me. So I'm gonna take you guys on the tour with me, okay? It's a beautiful day, people jogging and stuff like that. Yep. And over here on my right, people selling food, street vendors, little girl, cheeseburger, juices, hot dogs, and you can see right there Brooklyn Bridge. So we're going this way, so let's go take a walk on the Brooklyn Bridge, guys. We're still in spring. It's nice today. If you're just tuning in, guys, this is Zone Life. Support my team. If you watch my shorts, they're like the other side, like side places you usually don't see on TV. But today, me and my team decided to walk on the Brooklyn Bridge, and this is how it look like. I'm gonna talk a little bit, and as time go by, I'm gonna keep quiet and just let you guys enjoy the view for a second. Yep, that's the highway over there. Cars are going on the bridge right now, and that's about it. People are jogging in the morning, so I'm gonna just take you guys on the tour with me. This is like my first time taking the camera on the bridge, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Yep, like I said, some are jogging, some are just taking a walk, and some people are content creator. Yep, you got the police right there. Morning, officer. Morning. All right. Yeah, see, it is. Some of them are cool, you know. You say hi to them, they say hi back to you. Yep. So you save whenever you come to Brooklyn and you want to walk on the Brooklyn Bridge. You don't have to worry about, oh, is it safe? Yes, it is safe. It's police all over, the police, and it's like, I'm gonna show you guys. They got phones and stuff like that you can use too, just in case of emergency while you're on the bridge. You understand me? Welcome to New York City, the city that never sleeps. Yo, beautiful, beautiful, guys. So far, let me turn around and show you guys where we are at. Yep. Just stick with me. Let's take a walk. Probably gonna be walking. I'm a fast walker, so it probably gonna take me a couple 45 minutes, 30 minutes, or hour. I don't know. We'll see. And guys, down here, I love the bridge. See here, it's a bike trail. Yo, people ride bikes. If you got a bike, that's a bike trail. And this is a walking trail right here that I'm on. As you can see in front of me, is a lot of people walking right now. Yep. The sun is up. The time now is like almost 8 something. Yup, it's a beautiful day, guys. Stay with me. Like I said, if you just joining us, you know what to do. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. Do what you gotta do. Support the team, Zone Life. Check. It looks clean this morning because they got a trash can around. It's not like dirty. People enjoying their day. Yep. People come from all over London, France, Jamaica, Africa, and people enjoying their day. Yep. Guess she's working. Yeah. It's a beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. Look at the apartments over there. Jesus Christ. Imagine living on the 20th floor. Holy Jesus. Imagine living on the 20th floor. And you gotta, well, I don't know. Most of these apartments got elevators. And some don't have no elevators, it's like steps. You gotta take the steps. Trust me, I know. I've been there. And I know. Yep. Well, let me turn around and show you guys real quick. Let's do a little 360. That's where we at. So let's go up. I think that's like a project. When you're in New York and you see a bunch of buildings like that, they're called the projects. Yep. We are getting higher and higher and higher up. We are almost there, guys. We're getting higher and higher up. Yep. I brought some water with me. And look what I got. I got a big watermelon. I got a watermelon just in case I get thirsty. If I get thirsty, I got watermelon. I could just munch on a watermelon and I'll be all right. This person digging in the trash can. What they're doing, they're recycling. They're trying to find cans and bottles. You see this right here? Cans and bottles. And they're gonna sell them, make some money. Yep. Oh boy. Then this side's like wooden. So yeah, we're getting up higher and higher and higher. I'm afraid of height, guys, so hopefully I don't freak out. Yeah, I'm afraid of heights. Check this out. Wow. Beautiful, I love it. Yeah, it's beautiful. This is Brooklyn Bridge, guys. Brooklyn Bridge. Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? We're in Brooklyn. And Zone Life is walking on the Brooklyn Bridge, guys. We're getting there. It's getting higher and higher. We're going up, elevating. Yeah. It's not a lot of people this morning. It's usually a lot of people. But this morning, nah. Not too many people. That's good. Like we all say, the early birds get the worm. Yep. So I'm gonna go like maybe 100 more feet and then give you guys a 360 real quick. Yep. I started to catch my breath because I'm moving. I'm walking fast, as you can tell. I'm walking fast. All this is jogging. All this is from different areas. Yeah. Check out the sights. Already. Don't mind the sun, guys. Look at this view right here. Let's check out this crazy, amazing view. Wow. Beautiful. I think we like almost in the middle. Yep. Oh yeah. All right. Let's try reading this real quick. City of New York, Robert F. Wagner, Major, Brooklyn Bridge reconstruction, 1954. That's when they did a reconstruction on the Brooklyn Bridge. Yep. Already. See, they create a platform where you can walk on and stuff like that. Yep. That's Brooklyn over there. I'm gonna do a little 360 around here, see what's around here. Like I said, it's not too many people today, so yeah. And this is how it looks like.